Okay, so now you had a different thing you noticed. You said you could make n minus 1 over powers of n, like n to the k.
Yeah, for any k.
For any k. So, for example, you guys also know that 9/10 plus 9/100
plus 9 1,000ths.
That's a 0.9999.
which is 0.9999
Repeating, which would equal 1.
equals 1. Right? You know that,
Yeah.
right? And that, how do we know this?
Well, we could put it into decimal form.
Right, we can put it into decimal form.
Then we can multiply everything by 10.
We can multiply everything by 10
And then
to
subtract
get,
9.
if we say 0.9999 repeating equals x, then 10x equals 9.999.
So we could say 9 plus x equals 10x.
So 9 plus x equals 10x.
And then you cancel the x's,
Well, let's not go too fast. Move the x to the other
You
side.
can't cancel the x otherwise.
9 equals, this is what he meant when he said
Yeah.
cancel the x's, right? So 9x equals 9, so x equals
1.
1. And now, what's special about this? Why was this easy to write in decimal form? Why
Well,
was this series?
you have the powers of 10, which
Are the decimal powers.
which are you're the decimal places.
What do we have here?
We've got the 3.
Powers of
3.
3.
In-
So what do you think might be a really fun thing to try here?
In base 3.
Let's write this in base 3.
Cool.
Okay. In base 3, our digits after the decimal point
Are
are going to be the 1/3,
1/9,
1/9,
1/27.
27. So this is in base 3, this is going to be 0.2222 repeating.
Yeah.
And we say this is equal to x. Now, what's the very easy number to multiply by in base 3?
3.
Okay, so what does 3x equal?
2.22222.
2.2222.
So 2 plus x equals 3x.
2 plus x equals 3x.
So x
And then
has to be 1. Well, 2 equals 2x.
2 equals 2x.
So x is 1.
X equals 1. So the series that came from our circle and triangle
related to different bases.
was really not super easy to understand just by looking at it. But it turned out that by looking at it in base 3,
Cool. You could
you could see something really interesting.
Yeah.
That we got 0.22222 in base 3, which was very similar to 0.99999 in base 10, and therefore equaled
1.
1. How about that? Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really neat. That's some really neat math just coming out of this little triangle problem, I think. All right, good job, guys. Good job.